Okay friends, just open your settings application, then select general, then open about page. Okay, in this about page you can see how much applications installed in your device externally, not internally, because Apple OS have many applications like measurement, many more. Okay, so here is only show how much application you installed from your uh, Apple Apple Store. Okay, and that's it. So in this way you can easily understand how many applications you are installed in your iPad. So that's guys, very simple tutorial. If you need any kind of Android or iPhone tutorial, just comment below. I will post your replies as videos so you can easily watch and understand it. And if you enjoyed this video, please like, comment, share and subscribe our channel for getting more videos like this. Thank you so much for watching. Have a nice day. Bye bye.